Mabuhay, my name is Amir, and today it's Monday and we're going to do an unboxing of my new DJI Osmo Pocket that I bought sa Henry's Professional sa Glorieta. So, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's the item, guys, from Henry's Professional. This is not sponsored, by the way, but the main reason why I bought this device is because it's pocket size, and it's very important for me na yung convenience whenever you use like a device or something when you travel. And also, of course, I consider the price and also the how to pay this device or this item. So with regards to the payment, I used my credit card, my PNB credit card. So it's good that they offer right now, as I'm showing here on their Facebook page. From this is, by the way, again, Henry's camera. They offer 24 months installment, 0 interest. So if you're planning to buy like gadgets and other tech products, you can use your Citi credit card, BPI, Metro Bank, and HSBC. So you can just call their branches or go to their Facebook page. I believe they also have Instagram, so just ask them some questions regarding that promo. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this item out. Okay, so here's the box or the item. And also, before we go through and examine the parts and everything, it's always good to know this kind of information. So whenever you're buying sa mga store or sa mga mall, most of the time meron silang 7-day replacement. So kunwari may mga defects or problems sa item, yes, you can replace it dun sa branch kung saan nyo binili. And of course, you have to make sure that you bring your receipt with you, or official receipt from that store. And upon checking, there are some warranty terms dito sa Osmo Pocket sa Henry's. And so ano siya, iba-iba yung warranty period per parts. So like main controller, it's for 1 year, gimbal and camera 6 months, battery 6 months, charger 6 months as well. So yeah, and then you have to either, I guess, go to their store, or I'm showing here an email from that is from DJI. Okay, and then there's like a list of information that they need, or that you need and that they need before you request for I guess a warranty claim. Okay, so again, that's very important. So here it is. Oh, by the way, I'm using my phone to record this. It's very small. And na-open ko na. Okay. So, yun nga. May mga kasama. Dito sa box na to, may mga kasama siyang cable. Ito ay dun sa charger, I guess. And this one is for the strap. If you wanna hold it. And then, tatalin nyo lang siya. Well, hindi man ako malaglag sa inyo. And this ones are adapters for, this one is, I'm sure, for iPhone. Yeah. And this one, I guess, is, yes, for Android. Okay. And yes, you can download their app through Google Play, and if you're an iPhone or Apple user, you can go to the App Store. Also, it's compatible with iMovie and Final Cut Pro X. Those are video editors ang ginagamit ng mga old YouTubers or vloggers and everyone who likes video editing. Okay. And here's the main device. Okay. It's really nice. Very classic. And meron siyang parang lock. So meron siyang lock. I guess this is plastic with leather or gamuza or something. And here's the device. Ooh, okay. It's not hard. Then meron siyang lock. So this is my first time to see this device as well, and I haven't used it as well. And this is my first time to touch a DJI brand as well. Okay. So it says here, remove before powering on. So you have to remove it, and then you have to remove this protector film, and let's see if it's gonna work. So ilang tangkal lang, wala pang isang tangkal. Let's try to power it on. So ito pala yung power. Ooh. Oh my god. It's moving alone. Okay, so I guess this one is touchscreen as well. Sorry, I'm kind of new to this, and my camera is not focusing at all. Well, I'm using my phone, by the way. So we have to touch English. So it says that the device is not yet activated. So I'm not sure how to activate that, but yes, this is where you're going to put these adapters if you want to connect it sa phone mo or laptop. Alright, so yeah, it's touchscreen as well. May mga settings that you need to do. Okay. So if you're going to check it, it says, when using for the first time, follow the steps in the DJI memo. So here's the power button, here's the record button or shutter. So yes, you have to download their app first to activate your device, and let's go ahead and do that. Hello, so I'm now using my smartphone and then connected yung DJI Osmo using ng USB cable. So yes, and I'm also using a ring light para medyo maganda yung lighting. Now let's go ahead and talk about yung advantages and disadvantages ng DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's go ahead and start dun sa, I guess, disadvantages muna. Okay. So first is yung adapter. So whenever na magkoconnect kayo sa phone or maybe sa computer, kailangan nyo ng adapter para mag-connect sila. And then so what you need to do, I wrote everything here. So what you need to do is you need to buy a separate adapter, or like say for example, i-connect niyo yung DJI dun sa laptop or sa phone nyo. Kailangan nyo ng device for that. So it's a separate device na mabibili nyo sa DJI, like, you know, Apple products. If you have Apple products, or I guess Android devices, yes, you have to buy a separate connector para mag-connect silang dalawa. And of course, that's going to be another like expense for you. Next one would be, of course, the cases. So along with the box, ang meron lang ay yung mga connectors, yung USB for iOS devices, and then yung Android for Android, yung maliliit na connector na pinakita ko. And then of course wala siyang kasamang case, so you need to buy that as well. Mga protectors, meron ako nakitang mga protector para dun sa lens niya, and then para dun sa body may mga straps din para if you'd like to hold on to it, pwede nyo siyang lagay sa wrist nyo. Pero yung mismong case niya merong strap na. Okay. Next one would be so whenever you're using it to record a video or maybe shoot quality photos, medyo umiinit siya ng konti. Pero okay lang naman, understandable naman. And most of the time yung mga smartphones natin, pagka ginagamit natin like to record mga videos, or if we are watching movies, right? So medyo umiinit siya ng konti, ganun talaga. And I guess what you can do is bumili nga ng mga protector or mga casings. What else? Okay. So next one would be yung screen. So medyo maliit yung screen niya. I think this is at least 1 inch by 1 inch. Yes. So if your hands are quite big, so medyo mahirap, I guess, is swipe. Or if you don't have like so clear eyesight, so medyo mahirap nyo siya makita, lalo na pagka madilim. So yun lang. So what you need to do is work around this, yun nga, is to connect siya sa inyong smartphone, which is medyo mabigat. And okay, let's go ahead and go to dun sa mga advantages naman. When it comes to, yes, the size, it's pocket size. You can put it sa pockets nyo, even dun sa mga handbags nyo, so kasama ng cases nyo, so medyo magaan din naman siya. And next would be yung gimbal option niya. So whenever we're shooting videos, right, most of the time we're using our cell phones to record it, and sometimes medyo magulo yung mga pag i-rotate nyo or pagka yung mga angles na kinukuhanan nyo. So DJI Osmo Pocket, it has a 3-axis rotation gimbal quality. So when you hold on to it, kahit i-rotate nyo pa yung handle like 360, so still yung recording nyo or hindi siya magalaw at bumpy. Next is when it comes to price, so this is amounting to around 23,000 pesos. So for me, it's definitely worth it naman, since this is a very effective device for those who are, I guess, starting, or for those people na ayaw ng sobrang bigat. Katulad ko, ayaw ko kasi magdala ng mga sobrang bigat na mga gamit or mga gadgets. Okay. And when it comes to the price, I mean, if yung store, if they have like a promotion, so you can go ahead and take advantage of that and maybe use your credit card, or meron na ngayon mga home credit, so you can like pay it monthly, sometimes 0 interest or sometimes merong interest depending dun sa card or payment option na gagawin nyo. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's all of the things that I like and I don't like when it comes to using the DJI Osmo Pocket. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment down below and I'd be more than happy to answer all of it. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye!